hope you are all right. Now we'll discuss exercise 9.3. Our first question is, in figure, E is any point on median AD of a triangle ABC so that area of ABE equal to area of ACE. Now we discussed the solution. We have, first of all, in a triangle ABC, AD is the median, and hence area of ABD equal to area of ACD. Now area of ABD equal to area of ACD. Now we have a median of triangle, divide it into two triangle of equal area. एक मीडियन जो होता है वो ट्रायंगल को दो इक्वल एरिया में डिवाइड करता है. सिमिलरली इन ट्रायंगल EBC, ED इज़ द मीडियन. EBC के अंदर ED क्या है? मीडियन है. और सेम एज एरिया ऑफ EBD इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ECD. नाउ इक्वेशन सेकंड एंड इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. फ्रॉम सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम 1. इक्वेशन 2 को 1 में सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो देखो हमारे पास जो एरिया बड़ा एरिया है उसमें से ये छोटा एरिया स्प्रेड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आएगा ABE. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ABD माइनस एरिया ऑफ EBD इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ACD माइनस एरिया ऑफ ECD. नाउ वी गेट एरिया ऑफ AD, area of ABE and area of ACE. Hence prove. Now we have question number second. Question number second is, triangle ABC is the median of AD and area of BED equal to 1/4 of area of ABC. Now in solution, in triangle ABC, AD is the median given. Now hence area of ABD equal to area of ACD. Now area of ABD equal to half of area of ABC, because median of a triangle divided into two equal areas. Now similarly in triangle ABD, BE is the median. Now area of BED equal to area of ABE. Area of BED equal to half of area of ABD, but area of ABD we can write half of area of ABC. Now area of BD equal to 1/4 of area of ABC. This is the question number second. Now question number third is, we have so that a triangle the diagonal of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangle of equal area. Now we have diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore PO equal to OR equal to SO equal to OQ. जो डायगोनल होते हैं पैरेललोग्राम के वो एक दूसरे को इक्वली बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. नाउ area of PSO equal to area of PQO, because in triangle PQS, O is the PO is the median. Now area of PSO equal to area of PQO. Equation first, because median of a triangle divided into two equal areas. Now similarly triangle PQR OQ, in triangle PQR, this triangle and OR is the median. Now area of PQO equal to area of QRO. Equation second. Now in triangle QRS, RO is the median. Now QRO equal to area of RSO. Equation 3. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3 we have area of PSO equal to area of PQO equal to area of QRO equal to area of RSO. Now we can say whole area of bisect by the diagonal